Hello and welcome to the brand new episode of Guy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to bake these delicious chocolate brownies which is gluten-free and sugar-free. And I'm going to bake this in my air fryer. Yes, air fryer. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos in the future. Without further ado, let's get down to the ingredients we need. Firstly, I'm adding the melted butter, which I have already cooled it down to room temperature, followed by the melted cocoa butter and also cocoa powder. And I'm going to mix everything up using my electric whisker. If you don't have an electric whisker, you can also mix this manually using your hand with a whisker. And now I'm adding in the cashew powder, followed by the almond meal. And lastly, I'm going to add in all the eggs. I'm not going to whisk the eggs too much as I don't want to put lots of air into the mixture because we are making brownies, not cake. Due to the fact that I forget to add in the stevia before the eggs, now I'm adding it to the mixture. And I'm just going to mix it with my spatula. If you don't like stevia, you can also use any kind of sweetener you like. If you guys can't find all the ingredients in this recipe, you can get it all from iherbs.com. If you use my code during the checkout, you will get 5% discount on the items. I'll provide my code and the link to the website in the description below. Now let us transfer the mixture into the tin. I'm using a parchment paper on the tin and I have already oiled it with some butter. Before putting this into the air fryer, I've already preheated the air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to bake this at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, this chocolate brownies is ready to be taken out. You want to wait for at least 15 minutes for it to cool down a bit before taking the brownies out of the tin. Look how gorgeous the brownies is. After waited for it to cool down, now it is time to pop out the brownies out of the tin. Look at that fudgy chocolate brownies I have made. You guys should try this at home and let me know how it turns out. If you love it, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and families. If you have questions or suggestions to my videos, do leave me a comment below, or you can also reach me through Instagram, which I've provided in the description below. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do check out all my previous recipe video and help me spread my videos if you want more of it. And I hope to see you guys again in the next episode of Guy's Kitchen.